Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and I'm standing outside my newest fix and flip property. Just bought this one from the MLS for $192,000, I believe. We'll walk through it, show you everything, talk about the numbers, and give you a look at this property. So before we get started, we'll go in the side door here. Make sure you check out investformore.com, information on my flips, rentals. I have pages for both of them that list all the numbers and have videos, just about every flip, and most of my rentals as well. Just go to Invest for More and look on the resources page to see that. All right, so this house, like I said, was listed on the MLS for $190,000. I came and looked at it right away, got an offer in that same day. The agent texted me, said, hey, you want to come up at all? You're really close. Buyer wants to go with your offer, but there's one slightly higher. So I went to 192 and we ended up getting it. So this will need probably at least $30,000 in work. We'll redo the kitchen, paint, flooring, doors, and windows. Might have some other repairs as well. And then the ARV on it's gonna be around 280 in that range. So should be a pretty decent flip once we're done. We'll also have some carrying costs, selling costs around 15 to 20,000. Since I am an agent, I made 3% on it when I purchased it. So about 5,000. And then we'll save half a commission as well when we list it. These are real hardwood floors. These are fake laminate, not even laminate, like sticky tile wood things. So some good, some bad. Has 3 bedrooms up. So those have hardwood as well. You can see the super old windows. Paint will be needed. Here's the bathroom. Tile's good. The tile surround and the tub is not, so we'll redo that. Then here's another bedroom in here. A cool ceiling. And then the third bedroom up. Back there's kind of a covered porch area. It's all screened in. There's a 1-car detached garage right there. The yard. You can see that. All right, we'll take a look at the basement. It is finished. Here, we'll start with the utility room, washer and dryer hookups. Then you've got your furnace, hot water heater, which are fairly new, so hopefully those are okay. We won't have to touch those, you never know. Here's your very unusual family room with 2x4s and plywood for a ceiling, so we'll have to figure out something there. Another bedroom back here. And the bathroom here. We're kind of trying to figure out if there's a way to access this bathroom without having to go through the bedroom. Might be possible to pull out that closet, make a little hallway there, but in the end, I doubt it'll be worth it to do that. And since it has 5 bedrooms already, I don't know how much more valuable it is to have that bathroom accessible to the 5th bedroom. Most people, won't actually use 5 bedrooms. They might use this as an office, something like that. So we'll probably just leave it how it is. Here is the 5th bedroom. And that's the property. So we'll get started on it here pretty soon. Had a new way of financing this one. So I had actually a private money lender contact me from my blog, Invest for More. And by private lender, I don't mean a company or hard money lender. I mean an actual individual person who has money who lends to people. If you see those people online who are offering like 5% or 3% loans up to like $50 million, that's not real. Those are fake, they're scammers. They're trying to get application fees from you. Once you pay that, you'll never hear from them again. So please stay away from those guys on Facebook or online. But this guy was willing to finance this property 100% of the purchase price and repairs up front. So I actually get money back at closing when I buy it. So that's unusual and very cool. So love to have all my lenders do that, but I don't think that'll be the case. I still use a mix of banks, private money, my own money, and a little bit of hard money. So that's the deal on this one. Hopefully we can get started here in the next couple weeks, get it hammered out and get it sold. I should be having a lot of after repaired videos coming up soon. So we actually might be listing like up to 10 houses in the next month. So be ready for those. I have 19 flips going at the moment, counting this one. So getting back up there again. So we need to get some of them sold and keep moving. And also, I will be buying the large $2.1 million commercial property next week. So be on the watch for that video. I'll put something together showing you that property, telling you all about it. Make sure you subscribe to get notified of new videos and leave a comment. I try to reply to everybody personally. If you have any questions or concerns or just want to tell me how horrible my videos are or hopefully how good they are. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk soon.